Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make millions of naira in palm oil business without averting your major job. So if you are new here, please kindly click on the red button to subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much for always coming back. So like I said, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make millions of naira in palm oil business. Palm oil business is a very lucrative business and the demand for it keep increasing every day. There is no way you will move into this business and you will say you don't make money. It is not possible. It will be very difficult for you to say that, because palm oil business is a very lucrative business that I can boldly advise people to go into. And the beautiful thing about this thing is that it's not going to affect your major job, and also it's not going to cost you energy. The thing is, if you want to go into it, you need to know the storage time so that you can prepare yourself ahead of the time that by this also time I want to go into palm oil business, so that you can prepare yourself ahead of it. At that time is between March to May. If you want to go into palm oil business, the best time for you to get it at cheap price is between March to May. If you have trust person that can run it for you, that one will be a nice idea. That person will just take 30% and you 70% of the gain at the end of the business. But if you don't have another person to do that for you, you can successfully run it on your own. Yes, you can successfully run it on your own. All you have to do is to prepare yourself ahead of the season. Like by April I want to stop palm oil, you will have prepared yourself ahead of it, and once the time comes you will go to the local market near you to get it. And if you want to get it from a far place, you can also do that. If it's like maybe Ondo State or Osun State, those two places I can connect with trust supplier. So like I was saying, once you know the season period for it and you've prepared yourself ahead of it, the next thing is just to get your palm oil. And if you want to get your palm oil, make sure you go with that your empty keg that you've already bought, because if you go with your empty keg, you'll be able to see the oil content that is inside the keg by the time they are transferring it from their home gallon to your own gallon. That's the importance of going along with your keg and not buying with keg, for you to identify maybe the content they want to sell for you, maybe is good or not, just for you to identify that. And once you buy, then you take it home, you will just create space for it, maybe in your kitchen or store. You will just create a little space for it, and then you will need to put a plank down, then put your gallon of palm oil, put it on the plank, and also don't allow it to touch the wall. Those are the major two things. And if you want to resell, all you have to do is just to take it to the local market near you to sell it there. You might not be able to sell it by yourself, but all those market women will assist you to sell it, and they can just deduct something like 500 or 1000 naira on each keg. But as for me, that money is not much because you didn't stress yourself on it. What you do is just that you buy, you store, and you resell. So you don't spend much energy on it. And I think if they deduct something like 500 to 1000 is not really much. That one shouldn't say cannot make much profit from it. For example, for those that store this year, they bought it for something like 17,000 naira. They are selling for 25,000 naira now, so they've made gain of something like 8,000 naira now, because they are currently selling it for 25,000 naira, and the thing is going to keep increasing because we are no more in its season again. Who knows, it can up to 30,000 naira. So it's a nice business idea if you can go into it. No more stress, it doesn't affect your major job. Instead of you keeping your money inside the bank, at least you can use it to multiply money, to call money home. So I think that will be a nice idea if you can make use of it. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have been getting value so far, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and also do well to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.